Hello my friends and welcome. Today we'll be cooking shakshuka. Shakshuka from Israeli means all mixed up. And the key is in the spices. It's not just scrambled eggs with tomatoes, which those taste amazing. This is something more. Are you ready? Let's get cooking. First things first, I'm going to chop up an onion. I'm going to slice up some garlic. Once the onions are prepped, we're going to get our skillet here going. Go ahead and add our onions in there. And we'll fry these babies until they're translucent in color. To the mixture, we're going to add 2 garlic cloves. And then we have our bell pepper, sweet pepper. Cut this baby up. Guys, please have a look. Our onions are more or less translucent, not quite, but they're almost there. And I think this is a perfect timing for us to go ahead and add these red peppers. Mix these babies in and let them cook for some time. I would say 5 to 7 minutes. While our bell peppers and onions are being fried, we're going to take care of our tomatoes. So the tomato, we don't want any skin on them, and the easiest way to peel the skin off of them is to give them a hot bath for about 40 seconds or so. So I have boiled water in here, and here's the exactly effect that we want it to reach. So the tomato skin just comes off and peels off in these large pieces easily. Once we have diced our tomatoes, we're going to go ahead and add them to our mixture. To our beautiful mixture, we're going to add a couple of spoons of tomato paste just for additional flavor. Tomatoes are acidic by nature and we want to combat it, so I'm going to add 1 teaspoon of sugar. I want to add some spice to our dish. I'm using jalapeno pepper. You can use any pepper, red chili pepper flakes, you can use a powder. It's really up to you. I'm using what I had in my fridge pretty much, and of course, you know, this green pepper will give a vibrant color to our dish as well. Of course, what makes shakshuka is spices, and we're not gonna skip on those. Smoked paprika goes in. Oh, give or take a teaspoon or so. Cumin Seed, I'm using a whole seed. I'm going to go ahead and do the same thing, about a teaspoon or so. Just sprinkle this baby in. We got turmeric. We got oregano. We got coriander seed. This one is ground coriander seed. I'm glad I have helpers, right? I mean salt. Who could have forgotten that? We're going to mix it well, and now on a medium heat, we're going to let it reduce. Folks, we're going to make sort of an opening on the side right here and remove all of the chunky bits, and we're going to crack an egg in there, just like so. And we're going to repeat the process 4 times, or as many eggs as you can fit, or you want to fit. I want to fit 4. Once the eggs are added, we're going to cover it up, and on a low to medium heat, we're going to leave them for about 10 to 15 minutes. Guys, I'm going to chop up some basil, and that is what I'm going to garnish our meal on top. I'm going to also chop up some cilantro. Now we got our spice mix. Basil and cilantro. That's going to be an explosion of fresh flavor that we're going to add on top of our shakshuka. And our shakshuka is ready. Let's check it out. Here's what we have. A bit of a garnish on top, and we are ready to give it a try. Guys, our shakshuka was a success. Remember, it's not just scrambled eggs with tomatoes. The key is in the spices and how you make them, the order. You guys, again, if you like what you see, please give this video a thumbs up, subscribe, and we'll be seeing you in the next video.